to the popular program. Many eyes are on the health care debate going on in Washington, but some Oklahoma lawmakers are getting involved because they're worried about the impact on a new hospital. And as Gan Matthews reports, one state representative says Oklahomans in Washington don't seem to care.
The new physician-owned $98 million Oklahoma Heart Hospital South is nearing completion and is scheduled to open next month. Its location makes it ideal for serving a large veteran and Medicare-eligible population. But pending health care legislation in Washington is putting the hospital's future in doubt.
Physician-owned hospitals will not be able to be Medicaid certified. Therefore, this hospital is not financially feasible if they cannot get Medicaid reimbursements.
The hospital has already hired 180 employees and hopes to double that number in the first year.
That represents approximately $15 million on an annual basis in salaries. And so we stand to lose the vast majority of that if the hospital doesn't open.
Representative Morissette says the indifference of the Oklahoma Republican delegation has forced him to appeal to Democrats to block the hospital provision from becoming law.
I've had to go outside the delegation. Ben Nelson from Nebraska, Mary Landrieu from Louisiana, and Blanche Lincoln from Arkansas. Those are three Democrats that are on the fence. I'm asking them for serious help here because I can't get any help from our own delegation.
The hospital sits in the district of Congresswoman Mary Fallon. Fallon says she voted against the bill and spoke against the hospital provision on the House floor. She thinks Morissette is attempting to distract attention from the fact that it is his fellow Democrats that are endangering the hospital's future. Right now, there's nothing in federal law to prevent Oklahoma Heart Hospital South from opening next month. It's the future and the future form of health legislation that have people here worried that once opened, the hospital might have to close its doors. In South Oklahoma City, Gan Matthews, News 9.
By the way, Oklahoma Senator Jim Inhofe says the proposed legislation that would have blocked Heart Hospital South from getting Medicare reimbursements was drafted by the Democrats. But he says a new version before the Senate makes an exception for the Heart